Hey babes, it's Adrienne Patika. I'm back with another video, and as you can see by the title, we're going to be doing another wig install voiceover edition. Today I'm going to be working on a used unit from beautyforeverhair. It's a 5x5 HD lace closure, body wave, 180% density. I did a maintenance on the wig off camera. If you haven't already seen my maintenance videos on my channel, be sure to check those out. I have them linked in the cards and in the description. Those that are new to my channel, I do like to go ahead and style my wigs on my canvas blockhead for starters, but later in the video, I'll go ahead and do a glueless install on this unit. In this clip, as you can see, the hair is wet. I'm going ahead and I'm parting out the part in the desired style that I want to wear it. I'm going to take some of my foam wrap and I'm going to go ahead and mold the hair down so that it can dry in the style that I want it to be. So I apply a generous amount of foam wrap and then I just brush the hair into the way that I want it to fall and let it air dry. Since this is a used wig, I already did the maintenance, but when I wore this wig initially, it was parted in a middle part. So I think this method is perfect for when you're wanting to mold it into a new style. So after I let the hair dry, I go in with my It's a 10 Miracle Serum and my Frizz Buster before I flat iron and press out the hair. I use the Miracle Serum and Frizz Buster to bring some shine back to the hair. After adding the serum, I just run the flat iron through the unit. We all know how to, flat iron, so I sped these clips up for y'all. So once I get up to the closure, I start to use my hot comb and my wax stick. I part in small sections and then go in with the wax stick, and then I take my hot comb to the root on the highest setting so I can make sure that everything is in place and it's sitting real flat. I'm just going over it with a few more passes from the hot comb, but look at that. It's very much giving flat. Even though, like I said, this is a used unit, I changed the part and I had to make sure that the hair was laying correctly, and it's just very much giving flat. I'm going in with my Ruby Kisses cream foundation on my lace. The secret to a perfect glueless install is making sure that those elastic bands in the back are strapped as tight as they can be, as tight as your head can hold. Okay, so on to the install. We're going to be doing a side part swoop glueless install with baby hairs. The baby hairs were a little too thick for my liking, so I went in and did some plucking, not too much. Going in with my mini flat iron, I already told y'all the tea on this. This is tea. Like, this is what's going to help you lay them baby hairs perfectly. So I just flip my baby hairs back. I'm going to spray some spray on them, and then I'm going to go ahead and lay them. Doing baby hairs is really trial and error. Like, sometimes you might not like the way that it came out the first time, so you gotta comb it out, go back, try it again until you get the perfect, like, little swoop. I'm using my high beam spray to define my part and make it look more crispy. This step is super easy. You just want to take the end of a rat tail comb, lay it in your part and then spray the high beam spray over your parts, and that's it. If you wanted to make your part even neater and crispier, you can go in with your shade of concealer just to make it like look skin-like. Okay, so I'm switching it up. I love my middle parts, but this time I'm going in and I'm doing a side part swoop. I'm using my even spray just to mold down my swoop, and then I'm going to go ahead and flip it behind my ear and then take a rubber band and tie it into the back of my unit. I learned this method from Arrogant Tay. Once you flip it behind your ear and tie it with the rubber band to the back of the unit, you're just going to cover the ponytail with the rest of the hair, and really it's like it's not even there. You don't even see it. And this is what the finished product in the back looks like. Let's get into the full finished look. I love it. I love side parts because I got a big forehead. Y'all know light skins got big foreheads. And it looks so cute with my face shape. If you enjoyed this video, you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Thanks so much for stopping by. If you're new, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, and I'll see y'all in the next one.